Hello YouTube friends, how are we all doing today? Today is, what day is this? Thursday. Lost track of the date, 2nd of November or something. I'm off my work, kids are at school today, and my wife kindly has given me a pass. Yay. So I'm away for a night. Now, initially I was going to go camping, but it's a bit cold. So I was looking on PitchUp, the website where you can book camping sites, and I found a pod at a decent price. It was only 25 quid. All the other pods that I'd seen were 40-50 pound a night minimum, so when I saw this at 25 I thought, oh, you know what, I'll take a bump at it. Now it's on the East Coast, a place called Scoutscroft Caravan Park near Eyemouth. Never been in that part of the world before, so I thought, oh, what the hell, let's go for it. So I'm on the A76 just now, going through Mauchline, going down by Sanker, and then I'm going to cut off the 76 and go some of the more interesting roads. So I'll leave it there and I'll bring you back when I'm on the better roads in the middle of nowhere. Turned off the A76 now. The road I wanted to go was shut, so I had to come a bit further down, unfortunately. But Moto's rerouted me fine, so we'll see where this takes us to. Today's quite decent weather-wise, although we are heading into some grey clouds, but yesterday was horrific. It was torrential downpours all day and really strong winds. So I'm glad I never went yesterday, because I had sort of thought about it yesterday, but luckily I chose today. Just going to take it easy because the roads are really wet. Lots and lots of leaves blew down yesterday, so things are a bit on the slippery side. Bad view, is it? The hills are awesome. Cool. Home for the night. It's even got some hooks on my jacket. Awesome. So that's me all settled into my pod. I've had my dinner and a pint of beer, which was good. Just at a local restaurant nearby. It's very delicious. So the pod is brilliant. For one person, it's ideal. This will sleep up to 4, but I think it'd be a bit of a squeeze for 4. So in the pod, we've got, looking down here, just a wee kettle, fridge, telly, all my gear's hanging up, nice wee heater there, keep us nice and warm, and 4 beds. Nothing else to it, nothing fancy, but beats a tent for the night. I don't know what you guys find, but there's always so much faff in the morning. Right, bag packed up, all good secure, sat nav to be set up. A bit of music. Right, we're on the road home. That was a really good sweet trip yesterday and enjoyable night stay in that pod. The new Inn Bar and Restaurant, that's where I had my dinner last night. Turbines. There's the sea way over there to the right, that's the North Sea. Absolutely stunning. What's that? Is that a power station, I wonder? Wow. I do like the sea views are awesome. Bridge. Right, my plan is today just heading back the main roads because I've got stuff to do this afternoon, so I'm going to get fuel and I'll be going along the M8, so it's not going to be a particularly interesting ride home for you to watch, so we'll leave it here. So thanks very much for joining me in this wee night away, it was brilliant. Just goes to show that you don't need to only go away in the summer. What the hell, that's bright. You can go anytime, so get your bike packed, get yourself out. Ride safe everyone. Cheerio.